In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an application password in WordPress for a smooth n8n integration. For those of you who are looking to enhance your workflow with n8n and streamline processes in your WordPress site, understanding how to generate an application password is a crucial step. So let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the WordPress security settings. Specifically, we're focusing on the two-step authentication page. For those who might not be familiar, this is where you can set up additional security layers for your WordPress site, which is vital in keeping your data safe from unauthorized access. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Application Passwords. This is the part we're interested in for the integration process. At this point, you'll want to add a new application password. The option to do this should be clearly marked as +add new application password. Selecting this will open up the necessary fields to create a new application password specifically for use with your n8n setup. Once you've selected to add a new password, you will need to enter an appropriate application name. This step is crucial because a well-named application password will help you easily identify its purpose later on. For instance, you could name it something straightforward and descriptive, such as n8n integration. This name doesn't affect the password itself, but ensures your records are clear and organized, especially if you plan on having multiple application passwords for different functions or integrations. After selecting a suitable name, the next step is to generate the password. You'll find a button or option labeled Generate Password, which will automatically create a unique password for this specific application. Clicking this ensures the password is strong and meets the security criteria set by WordPress. Strong passwords are indispensable for maintaining the security of your site, so remember, using the Generate Password feature helps ensure your credentials are less vulnerable to security threats. Once the password is generated, you will be presented with a unique combination of characters. This is a critical step. You need to copy this password immediately. Why, you might ask? Because you're going to use this in your n8n credential configuration. At this juncture, it's worth mentioning that this generated password won't be visible again after you navigate away from this page. So, make sure you store it securely in a safe place where you can access it whenever necessary. That wraps up the process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes your integration with n8n and WordPress seamless and efficient. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like these. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help. Happy WordPress managing!